Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2090 English test of oral past question. Question number 46. The same instruction is applicable here. We are looking out for a construct word stress, that is the question that is best answered by the statement contain the stressed word, which is written in capital letter. Now the given sentence here says there are many planes at the airport. There are many planes at the airport. Then the capitalized word here is planes in plural. Plane in plural. That is the capitalized word. The option A say, are there few planes at the airport? B, are there few cars at the airport? At the airport. Are there many planes on the airstrip? D, are there several planes near the airport? E, were there many planes at the airport? I told us that noun construct noun. Plane is a noun, so we must look for a noun word that can construct plane. Then in the options, we'll only find out in option B that there are few cars at the airport, and our interest is on plane. Then cars is a noun, therefore car construct plane. Therefore option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.